G'day folks, ready to go for another adventure. It's 28th of February, last day of summer. So this time we're going to do something different. And as you can see, we've got the caravan all still parked up. Instead, what we're planning on doing, got the padge packed up to the rafters. Chocolate block full of all the basic camping gear, as you can see. Tannies, this time is we're going to catch up with our friends Matt, Jamie and the boys. We're going to go camping to a nice secluded little spot in a tinny. Been looking forward to this one for a while. We're just going to do something different. Like I said, caravan's all packed up. And we're going to go via a tinny, take the swags, take the gazebo, take the esky, and have a lot of fun. So come along with us. Hey again, what a cool little boat ride. Well, here we are, beautiful Myall Lakes. We've got our gear, we're going to get set up just over at the other end up here. We've got this place to ourselves by the looks of it. Although we do have some neighbours, that's okay, they're on their boat, they're having a good old time. And Matt's going to head back over to the other side to get the boys and the rest of the gear. In the meantime, I'm just going to sit here and just enjoy this gorgeous view. Look at this for a campsite. Boat access only. Absolutely beautiful. Look at it. Gorgeous. Go for a quick wander. That's half of our gear. We're going to set up over here. I'm definitely looking forward to that beer in the water a little bit later. Here we go, we finally set up out on Myall Lakes, a few hours north of Newcastle. This place is divine. A little bit harder to set up, it's not your average caravan, you've got to bring all the stuff over by boat. Anyway, let's see how we've gone. Look at the setup. So we come over in this little nook and cranny. We've got a great little gas barbecue we're going to use. We've got the gazebo we decided to bring along, so we're definitely glamping. But there's plenty of mozzies and there's wild animals in here, so we've got all the stuff in here, as you can see. Some preparation tables. The other lads have got their swag set up over there. Like I said, we've got about six or seven people, 3 adults and about 4 or 5 whatever kids. It's going to be a great little weekend. The rest are coming tomorrow morning. And here's our Taj Mahal. So I bought a double deluxe years ago. And I bought some stretchers because us old buggers, I'm not going to sleep on the floor, don't need to. So Buffy and I, we're going to crash in here for the night. How gorgeous is that? Anyway, here's our setup. right by the water. Cheers, buddy. What do you reckon?
Good.
How good is this? How was the boat ride? Nice and smooth, wasn't it? Gorgeous sunset?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Fine. Hey, behind you, ducky.
What?
Behind you.
Oh.
Did you not just see that fish jump next to you? Get in the water. Hey, no bite.
Maybe by my tongue.
My bad. Did you see the fish that jumped down next to you?
Here's Buffy go, make his little fire.
And I didn't want to go to it.
Great effort, champ. Just using some dead leaves, weren't there? No papers, no fuels, no firelighters. Good effort, mate.
Oh, this fire's gone pretty good.
So, there you go, bud. Look at you go. You're starting to get it growing now, mate.
Yeah.
So how'd you get it going? Tell us. What'd you do?
Got a bunch of leaves to start the flame, and then I just progressively got bigger sticks, got more sticks to keep.
So no firelighters, no petrol, no oil, none of that. Just straight out Aussie bushcraft, is it?
Yeah.
Good job, mate.
Goanna.
A goanna?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
Big one.
There we go.
Oh, there he is.
In the bush.
Here he comes. Look. Ready, Bob? Ready? Away we go.
Set up, do something.
this place is just so great. I'm really loving it out here. Been wanting to come and do something like this for probably a few years. Big thanks to Matt for organising it, and the tinny. You see the boys there on the tube before. So much fun here, like I said. Just out in the water at the moment, just to chill and just soak it all in. As you can see there, look how far back the bank is. Walking way out in the depths. It's so beautiful. It's like a large sandbar, I guess. And just out there it does drop into the deeper water, but you can just walk out for miles. And it's only on my waist at the moment. It's just so beautiful here. Spin it around and just give you a look. Just gorgeous. Just have a look. Got some boats there. There's our setup. We've got scouts or something that turn up next to us, but that's fine. There's probably, I don't know, 12, 14 kids. They're having a good time. They're on their boat doing their thing earlier on. Look at this. The water's just so nice and still. Just gorgeous. This is what the weekends is for. This is amazing. Hey bud, so what's happening? Got a few goannas, have we?
Yeah, there's a baby right there.
Oh yeah, there, look.
Big one over there. And then there's one up in that tree right there.
There's a little baby one. Big mama bear. Where's the other one? Up in the tree.
Up in the tree.
Oh yeah, I can see that one. How cool, look at it.